G'day, I'm James from Commodore Solar. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of one of our Commodore Solar Skid off-grid power solutions. These are a turnkey solution. They're fully transportable, so you can drop these on site and you've got all of your power on one skid. Now these are customizable to suit your requirements, whether it's single phase, three phase, or even straight DC. They will typically use a smaller skid if it's a DC powered system. So let's take a look around. So you can see here, we've got 6.6 kilowatt of solar, which consists of 15 Canadian 440 watt panels. It's in the open position at the moment. And with the click of a button, the actuators will fold down the panels and then it'll be ready for transport. So let's take a look around. So you can see in the background there, we've got the bunded fuel tank. That's a 600 litre bunded fuel tank. This particular job has got a generator on the skid. It's got a generator with a bunded fuel tank. The generator is optional, so sometimes customers already have their own generator. In this case, we provided one. Now we've got the actuators here to fold down the panels, so put them up and down. So if they click of a button, we can pack it down, and just as easy we can put it back up again, which you'll see in a moment. As we come around to the front of the skid, you'll see the big Powerhub commercial cabinet. Now this is where we keep all of the off-grid equipment in here, including the Victron gear, which is what powers the system. So we've got 3 Victron Quattro 15 kVA inverters. Now this gives 45 kVA of 3-phase power. Now this is the most amount of power that we can get on one of the skids. So we've got 45 kVA of power. We've got a DC MPPT in the background there, which converts our solar power into DC power. Down the bottom, we've got our Pylontech lithium batteries. We absolutely love our Pylontechs. We believe they're the best battery on the market. One of the things that we love about them is the communication that you can get into the battery. So all of these systems we remotely monitor, which actually comes part of the Commodore system, is you get free lifetime support. And with the Pylontech batteries, we can see right into the battery. So if you ever have any questions or there's an alarm log or anything like that, there's so much that we can do remotely. Now this is the servo screen. This is one of my favorite parts of the Victron system. The servo is what controls the whole system. Now there's so much that we can do remotely to assist you, whether it's if you've got a question about performance, if you've got a question about, say there could be an alarm log, and you can also check that from your phone anywhere in the world as well. Rightio, so the other main components, we've got our battery breakers, our AC switchboard, which is where the generator comes into, and our DC breakers, which is a selection of different breakers, for the MPPT and whatnot. So let's close this up and we'll have a look at the generator. Now, with the Powerhub, one of the best features about the Powerhub is the temperature controlled low wattage DC air conditioner. Now this makes all the difference for these systems. So these power skids are going to every corner of the country and they're going into some really harsh environments. It can be, 45, 50 degrees. So the thing with any electrical equipment and batteries, if it gets hot, it doesn't perform as well. So for example, that 45 kVA of Victron power that we've got, that could derate to 50% down to 22 kVA. So it can make a really big difference to performance if the equipment gets too hot. And it certainly will make a big difference to the longevity of the equipment as well. So with your batteries, if you can pick up another 2 to 3 years at the back end of your batteries, that's going to make a really big difference, to the return on investment that you're going to get. So that's not this side. The air conditioner is in fact on this side here. So that's our air conditioner there, and that's temperature controlled. So once it gets to 32 degrees inside, it's going to cool it down to around 25 degrees, that optimal mark. So that's a great feature of these. Let's keep walking around. We've got the actuators there. Now, every off-grid system needs a backup generator. So we, as a general rule of thumb, we want the generator size to be about the same size as the inverters. So we've got a 44 kVA generator here. So that does three things with this system. It will kick in automatically to charge your batteries. It'll provide peak power if required, which is a great benefit to sometimes keep the size of the system down. So say for example, you've got a load, a high load that you're not using all the time. Rather than sizing the off-grid system to power that all the time, we can have the generator kick in to provide some peak power. So that's great for keeping the system size down in that case. And the other thing, which is a super important part that a generator plays, is it provides redundancy for the system. So say in the unlikely circumstance there's a problem with the off-grid system for any reason, you can manually bypass the off-grid system and you can run off the generator until we can get that fixed. So the generators, these are a water-cooled diesel generator. They're designed to run, so there's no problems whatsoever if the generator runs. And whilst we're talking about the generator, with these type of commercial systems, we don't want to think of the generator as the enemy. What we want to do is, so we don't want to get rid of it entirely. What we really want to do is reduce your generator run time from 24 hours a day down to say 1 to 4 hours a day. That's the sweet spot for these types of systems. We can go down to 0, and sometimes it'll run a bit more than 4 hours. But when we do that, what we're doing is, rather than the generator running underloaded, which is a shocking waste of fuel, it's also terrible for the generator when they're running underloaded. You know, they need a lot of servicing, they need replacing more often. So when we match a generator with an off-grid system, it only ever runs at the 75% the optimal load. So you're never wasting a drop of diesel. The generators are going to last much longer because they're not running as often. And when they do run it, they're running at that optimal load. So yeah, if we can achieve that 1 to 4 hour run time, you're going to get a really good return on investment. The average payback period for one of these is about 2.5 years. So, you know, we expect these to last 10 years at least. So when you're getting a 2.5 year payback on something that's going to last you 10 years, it's a bit of a no-brainer. If you have any off-grid projects that you would like some assistance with, feel free to reach out and we'll be more than happy to help.